Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this healthy, delicious drink. Welcome to the social side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're welcome to my channel today. The first thing to do is to get your strawberry ready. Soak your strawberry in water and vinegar, going with a ratio of 3 to 1, 3 water and 1 vinegar. This is to help remove dirt and pesticide and other impurities that is in the strawberry, and also this can also help to increase the shelf life, that's if you're not using the strawberry at a go, and also this will also help to remove the dirt from the strawberry well. So wash it off and remove that grainy part from the strawberry and add this into your blender. Blend until smooth. You can also add water into this, just a little water into this, and blend this until it is smooth. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, and for my returning viewers, thank you so much for sticking around. Do not forget to like, share and comment on this video, and also my new subscribers to do like, share and comment on this video. So once you've blended your strawberry well, you can decide to drain this if you want, or I prefer to drain it. I just do not like that big part of the strawberry, so I'm going to drain this and use my spoon to remove all the grainy parts of this. I want it to be a smooth juice. Do this until all the juice of the strawberry is out and you just have this remaining grainy part of the strawberry. This is what you should be left with, this luscious juice. So the next thing we want to do is to prep for our orange. So I'm using this imported orange. So in Nigeria here, this is not the type of orange that we have. We have another range of orange. So this is the imported part. I choose to use this because this is sweeter than our Nigerian orange, but you can decide to use a Nigerian one because I didn't want to add any other sweetener to this. I want this to remain as healthy as possible. So just squeeze out the juice of the oranges. So if you're looking at taking something healthy, or you want to introduce your children to something healthy that looks so amazing, this drink is for you because it is rich in vitamin C. Both strawberry and oranges are both rich in vitamin C. They have high vitamin C in them, so this is perfect. They both have potassium, which is critical for health, from our heart's health, and this is very, very nice. Both strawberry and oranges contains antioxidants, which helps protect the cell from damage and may also reduce the risks of chronic disease. Both strawberries and oranges are lower in calories. So if you're watching your weight or your weight loss journey, this drink is perfect for you. Like I said, it is so yummy. It is very delicious. It is sweet and it is so healthy. So make sure you try out this delicious, luscious drink. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Love to hear from you. You can watch my other previous video, I have lots of amazing recipes. So I'll be dropping some of the link at the description box, and as you watch this video, you're going to see some of the link popping as you're watching. So the next thing I want to do is just to cut this orange into some slices. This is what we're going to use to decorate the drink. This drink is also perfect for parties. It is so yummy. If you want to have like a healthy party, this drink is perfect. Or if you want to also tweak it, you can add some alcohol to it. If you want to go with that, that is fine. But this drink is perfect and healthy, as it is. Just cut this oranges into slices like this, just thin slices. This is to just help to make our drink look a bit fancy. So we've done prepping. The next thing is to assemble everything together. So add ice cube into your glass cup. That's if you want, you can decide to just take this drink without any ice cube or without even refrigerating it. That's perfect. But like I said, I want it to look so luscious and so delicious and very, very, attractive. So I just added ice cube to my glass cup. I'm adding the orange slices, and then I'm going to add the strawberry juice and the orange juice. Just watch and enjoy. So if you want this to look very beautiful, I'll ask that if you still have more juice, you can add more ice cube to this. Then you add your strawberry and add your orange. I promise you this will look so delicious and very, very inviting and so attractive. This is so yummy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then don't forget to hit on the like button, comment below. I would love to hear from you. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.